Hello guys, welcome to Trendy channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to design this party flyer from scratch. So just stay to the end of this video, share with your friends. Trendy channel is a channel that helps people to create amazing flyers like the one you're seeing on your screen. So let's just dive into the business of today. So first of all, I will change this background to white and I'll import my image gradually. So this is the background I use, so I'll just take the part I need and just crop the part I don't need and take the part I need. Let me import so before that I have already erased my picture. I've already removed the background of my picture. So if you're finding difficult to erase background from your pictures before using them for design, you observe that this image is very dull. I've also made video on how to enhance your image before using them for design, so you can check in my video lists here on YouTube. You will see video on that. I've done a lot of video on that, and if you observe the design, that design I showed you was sharp. I've also done video on how to increase the quality of your design, so you can just check the description. You can just check my channel list, my channel. You will see all those videos. Now I want to fade. I've also done video on fading, so you can also check it out. I've done video on that. So I just drew something, then increase the size, drop it here, copy, drop it here, copy, drop one here, copy, so drop one here, then lock the effects, then copy again. Now this time I'm changing it to black and I'll drop it at the bottom. Okay, no, but let's delete that one. Now go to your shape, tap on your ingredients, tap on your plus sign. Now make this side to be transparent. Make this side, leave it like that. Bring this side add a little bit. Do your okay. Now this is what we'll have. All you need to do is to just drag it from here and drag it towards down, and change the color to black. Are you seeing? So we gotten the major part of the design. So if you observe, there's a line at the bottom, but let me just put the line in case you didn't see it. Now just what I did was I entered letter S, then I increased the value to the highest, then I used my hand. I use my hand to adjust it, then choose a perfect font. I just choose one of the fonts here. Now what am I doing? I'm just trying to manipulate the background to look eye-catching and also sensible. So I choose yellow. Now sharp yellow. Then I reduce the size to 5. Then I brought it down. There we go. So quickly, let me enter the vibe. Increase the size. Now there's a way around. There's something I did around this vibe. The font I use is Pepsi. That's the font I use, Pepsi. So let me just quickly pick the color from here. Okay. Then I went to you see, we are not done, and we are not done. We've gotten that beautiful effect already. Went to my inner shadow. So I picked yellow actually. Then reduce the yellow to light. Then I came to my offset. Why? Do you see? Okay, let me leave it like that so that you see what I'm saying. Just take a look at what I'm doing. So this is how to appear. So what I did was I just went to my yellow, reduce the opacity so that it's not be that obvious. It will just be a little touch of the yellow. Are you seeing? Then I copy, then I enter out night. You know how we do it on this channel. We'll try to achieve the difficult parts of the design, then leave the rest for you to explore. So the fonts, this font you're seeing here that is looking so tiny, the font name is taken by Virtual. That's the name of the font. I don't think this is not the font I use. Okay, let me just find the font. Though I don't want this video to be lengthy. Okay, I think that's the font we use. So now I'm reducing the size of this font. So what I did was I entered shadow. So I picked brown shadow. Are you seeing? So for the shapes you're seeing at the down, I created it myself. So this is what I did. I picked a shape like this. Then I curve it. Sorry, increase my radius. Centralize it. Then enter another shape. And this time around I reduce the color. Reduce the color. Reduce the size. I also centralize it. Then take it backward. Now just look at what I want to do. You see how I drop it? Then I also copy, centralize, then I also take it and also drop it at the edge like this. So what did I do? I merged everything together. And please, if you want me to do video on anything, please kindly comment in the comment section. And the background I use for this design, I'll also drop link that will help you to get the background. So after this design I enhanced it, which I'll also show you how I did it. So just watch till the end of this video. So what the next thing I did, I went to my color eraser. the white went off because it was plain, so I picked the color that I want to erase, which is this color. So here we are. So I did my inner shadow, then I choose also my white this thing. So let me reduce his eyes. Just look at what I'm doing. Then I centralize it. Copy. So just arrange it at the bottom. So there we go. Let me see what we've not done. So the 18 plus is just something that I downloaded from Pinterest. So let me just show you something I downloaded actually. So this is it. So all you need to do is to come here, then circle it, then you reduce the size, centralize, and you bring it up here, then you drop it. So in this box you put in your date, your address, some other details that are related to the event. You can also put your dates here if your texts are much. You can also put your time here if your texts are much. There are space here to put some of the text. So please guys, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.